It's a 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, auto-track 4-wheel drive with traction control, Vortec engine, aluminum wheels, external memory control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com states, powerful, comfortable. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a prime choice for a full-size pickup. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.